Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the product. Today, we're exploring Mogo.ca, a Canadian fintech company. Their website, located at https://www.mogo.ca, offers a range of financial products and services. From what I've seen, they aim to provide convenient and accessible tools for managing your finances. Navigating the site, you'll find options for things like free credit score monitoring, personal loans, mortgages, and even a prepaid Visa card. It's quite a diverse platform, seemingly catering to various financial needs. They also emphasize helping users improve their credit scores and achieve financial wellness. Mogo appears to be positioning itself as a one-stop shop for managing your money, from everyday spending to larger financial goals. One interesting feature they highlight is their commitment to environmental sustainability, planting trees for certain actions taken by their users. This resonates with the growing trend of socially responsible businesses. Overall, Mogo.ca seems like a comprehensive platform for Canadians looking to take control of their finances and explore various financial products. They've clearly invested in creating a user-friendly website that offers a wealth of information and resources. It's worth checking out if you're in the Canadian market for financial tools and services. They're definitely striving to differentiate themselves in the fintech space. The site appears straightforward to navigate, making it easy to find what you're looking for, whether it's information on mortgages, loans, credit monitoring, or their prepaid Visa card. Further exploration of their individual offerings would be needed to provide a more in-depth assessment, but based on this initial overview, Mogo.ca seems like a promising resource for Canadians seeking financial solutions. They've packed quite a bit into their platform, from basic banking needs to investment options and credit-building tools. They even offer identity fraud protection. It appears they're aiming to be a comprehensive financial partner for their users. Give them a look and see what you think.